how to upload your video to Google Sites. So the first step is to simply go to Google Sites and then simply open your site. Now I'm going to create a blank one for this tutorial. Then what you're going to have to do is simply go here on the right side and simply go to video. So you're going to have to simply scroll down and then you're going to have to simply choose any of these content blocks. And as you can see, you have this plus button here. Now simply click on the plus button and as you can see, you have this option to choose from Drive. So simply click on that and then you're gonna have to simply upload your video to your Drive. So as you can see, I have this video here. So I'm gonna select this one here. So let me share it like this. So you're gonna have to confirm. And as you can see now, we have our video on our Google Sites. But as I said earlier, you're gonna have to use your Google Drive account in order to upload that video to your account and then simply use it to upload it to your Google Sites. So as you can see now, if you want to, you can resize this, and whenever someone wants to play this, what you're gonna have to do is simply click or tap on it and basically the video will play. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.